Hello friend, in this video we have discussed about my experience after vaccinated COVID-19. I would like to tell you all guys, don't go empty stomachs to take a vaccine, as well as after vaccinated you will have to take a rest at least 3 days, or as well as if you didn't take a food or some meal at that time, you will have to some difficulty like giddiness and faint. All guys, just keep in mind all guys, this issue, like this problem, I have to face all guys. Okay, so that's intent, like that's intent. I have made this video all guys. Don't skip this video, guys. Please watch this video begin to end. You may learn so many things in this video, and just just follow the rules and regulation about the um, just follow the rules and regulation about the COVID-19 all guys. So that's intent I have made this video. Hello friend, in this video I am going to tell you about COVID-19 vaccine, about my experience. Okay, before 4 days ago I have taken vaccine of COVID-19 all friend. Okay, but before this vaccine, like I took in uh, uh, empty stomach all friend. Okay, so that's why when I took a vaccine, as soon as possible I went faint, as well as uh, giddiness friend. Okay, what is the reason behind that? But before that, sir, uh, which sir was given my vaccine me, like uh, COVID-19 friend, they asked me, did you take a food or meal? At that time, like I told him, I didn't take a food. Okay, I would like to tell you all guys uh, that day I have taken a vaccine in the evening 4 p.m. Okay, but at that day, like in the morning, I have taken a lunch at 10 a.m. friend. Okay, but this vaccine I took 4 p.m. in the evening. Okay, but in the afternoon, I didn't take lunch. Okay, so that's why when I took vaccine, as soon as possible I went giddiness as well as pain friend. Okay, I would like to leave friend, what is intent to make this video. COVID-19 vaccine is a really secure vaccine to all human beings. We must take a vaccine, but like don't take a vaccine without empty stomach, unless you will have to face some problem. I would like to tell you all guys, COVID-19 pandemic, this vaccine is really one of the best powerful vaccine. This vaccine we are given by only 3 uh, ml drop. Okay, but this vaccine spread in our all vein and all in our body organ. Okay, this really powerful vaccine all guys, and do not go take vaccine without empty stomach, unless you will have to face difficulty. When I took vaccine, I went giddiness as well as pain. At that time, that doctor given me some injection. Okay, they rushed me to government hospital, and they given me one saline as well as one injection. And after 1 hour, sorry, after half an hour, I have got wonderful result. What is the intent to make this video? Don't go without empty stomach to take a vaccine, and this vaccine is really powerful to all human being. I would like to tell you, when we take this vaccine, like what is your misconception about the COVID-19? We get wonderful result about to that, and we must take the vaccine. Only this intent I have made this video, and after half an hour, my health was outstanding. Okay, this major issue I had to face issue, so that's why which is my YouTube family. Like all human being, they have to take a vaccine, but without go empty stomachs to take vaccine. Either in the morning, in the afternoon, take take lunch, take a food, and then go take vaccine. Okay, and so that's why I have made this video. And uh, please take care of ourselves, all guys. Nowadays, like in our India, COVID-19 patient are rising day by day, but after 3 days, like uh, uh, after 3 days, in Maharashtra, like lockdown is uh, after 3 days in Maharashtra, lockdown is totally open, friend. Okay, that time we go to any market, any field, we get rush. That time, keep away from the rush, and take care of ourselves. And please follow the rules and regulation. Wear a mask, use sanitize, and don't go unnecessary step out this rule flow. Then we can recover in ourselves as well as and in all over the world. Vaccination is given by in our central government. That's why we get this vaccine free. Please take a benefit of this vaccine and take care ourselves in our family as well as in yourself. So that's why I would like to tell you again, guys, don't go without empty stomachs, take vaccine. Otherwise, you will have to face major difficulty in your uh, health. Okay, if you really like this video, please send me reply, friend. And what is your reply? Please tell me comment. Okay, thanks for watching my video, all guys.